Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. If this video is helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. So it's day 19. On a day 19, I will discuss about a format and input. So as in the text, I store my name is and we gives the zeroth position. We want in it here, I want the zeroth position. What we is it? Okay, then the comma and I want I am from, and in this place what is in the first place, what is in the in it here, so I write a first place in it here. So then it's we close the inverted comma, and then we write a dot, and then we write a format, and then we write what we want to in the zeroth position, and what is we want in the first position. Okay, so right like that. We store here that my name is and zeroth position. What is zeroth position? What is it here? And I am from is the first position. What is in it here? Okay, and when we run it, and then write again we write a text one, it gave us that whatever is the zeroth position, it gave us this. And is it here, and the first position what is it, it will definitely help for when we store many places we want anything else, right? So this format is working where. And now I will discuss about a input. And an input is it very helpful for us, just like a right in a I store a input. I want to ask what's your favorite movie. So whenever you just like you run this and then print a. Okay, whenever you run this, he ask you what's your favorite movie, then you tell it what's your favorite movie, just like I write the Three Idiots. Okay, then I run it. Okay, so it gives the answer Three Idiots. Like now, just like I again something or else in the input we can do, like we can store the integer, and we can also do the some multiplication, addition, subtraction. But here I do a is that addition. So like the in it here I store in the integer, and in that integer I want to the input. And in the input is a double input. I just ask you the first number what you want to give, and just like here in the v I store the integer, and just input I want the second number what you want to be right here. And then we just do the here in the addition, c is equals to a, whatever the number is it come, and we add with the second b, whatever the number. So it gives the when we write the print is c, it give us what the addition here. So just like we run when it asks what's you give the first number, so it give I just give a 4. Okay, then we run, then it again asks what's the second number you want to give. Okay, like there, and then it give us the answer, what is the answer here. Okay, like here. Okay, and why this you add the bigger number else. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.